welcome back to my channel and happy new year. I always wanted to make a cardigan slash kimono slash duster jacket slash whatever you call a jacket that is not a jacket and is very light and goes over your outfit. Today I'm going to show you how to make, or how I made this cardigan. And if you want to make it, you can. All I used was my robe to draw out the patterns, and I just sewed it from there. No further ado, let's get on to this video so you can see how I put this baby together. So the parts that you need to start this project is the back, and then you're going to need the two sides for the front to cross over, and you're going to need two sleeves for your arms. First, you're going to want to connect the two side pieces to the back by just connecting the shoulders and then sewing them both down. Remember, whatever you do on one side, you must do to the other. So this is my first time approaching a project like this, such as a cardigan, and I'm just trying to measure it out because I know, the cliche shoulder to shoulder, sleeve to sleeve, sides to sides, but at this point I'm just trying to test the waters and see what I can do without a regular pattern from the store. So you might see that I have a shortage of wonder clips, and it's only because I drop them sometimes and I step on them and I break them. So I am short on wonder clips, which I do have to put an order in probably soon, because a sister can't work without wonder clips, like a shorter wonder clips, because it'd be slowing me down. Once the two shoulders are sewn on, you want to start working on the sleeve, and this is the way I did it, is that I just entered the sleeve around the armhole as I'm doing so, and of course I'm using wonder clips again, and I'm just gonna sew around the armhole, and then I'm gonna close in the armpit area by just sewing down the sleeve. So that's how I did it, and it came out pretty well. Usually when I just insert it like a hole inside of a hole, which I hope you guys understand what I'm saying, sometimes I miss the armpit and there's like a little hole in the armpit sleeve area. So yeah, I decided to use this method and it worked out well. And now we're going to bring it to the sewing machine. Here's the visual of all the stitches that were done, so you can get a view of what it looks like. So basically just went down the arm and down the sides, and bam, you connect the sides. So now the two side fronts are connected to the back and the sleeves are connected. It is time to work on the band that goes on the front side of the cardigan. So all I did was measure about 6 inches and I cut it in half, and then I folded the two strips that I had cut in half and sewed it down. So once I have sewn down those two strips, I basically just sewed them together because I need them to be connected to go down my cardigan. And so I just put the two parts that I made together in the center of the back, and I pinned them down on the front sides. Once you're done clipping everything together, you can take it to the sewing machine and start sewing. We are almost done, so now it's time to hem up these edges that need to be hemmed, which is the bottom and the two sleeves. On. I just realized I have no earrings on, but it doesn't matter. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to come back for more DIYs and fashion, and I'll see you next time. Bye.